So this song's called Faces by Showtek featuring Zushi from Faces Web. This is sort of a bass test song, but I find that it has more highs and stuff than bass. So turn my subwoofers down, the volume up. Let's see how far away I can go. This is where I do all my videos, by the way. Over there's the Tim Hortons distribution plant, and then Denso's just beyond that. This distributes basically donuts and all that shit for all of Canada and some of the US. Just to show you how far away I am. It's really good that the wind died down now. I can actually do this. Pretty loud and clear out here. I don't know how it's coming in on the camera, but I'm gonna stop talking now, otherwise I'm talking over it. So I'd say I'm about 50 yards, maybe about a little more than half a football field. Coming out to about 75 yards. I'll stop at about 100 yards. Basically right here, where this manhole is. So, I'm a football field away from the truck. It's starting to get a little bit windy, but I do have my hand blocking the direction of the wind, so hopefully this helps. But 100 yards away, crystal clear, and you can feel the ground shake a bit. And I do have the subs down, so. All right, let's head back to the truck. Then I'm gonna go get lunch. Trying to block the wind. Still a pretty good distance away. Oh, here comes that wind. that's it. So that's how loud the truck is from far away. Forget your name, buddy, but there you go. There's a demo of that song in my truck. And it is hot as fuck right now, and I'm about to go get some food. So for all my console and PC subscribers, keep an eye out. Tomorrow is your day. Monday is car day. So, and all the car people, new rims and tires for the Z06 are coming in probably tomorrow or the day after, so you'll get to see that. Oh, there's a bee in my truck. Say hello. Where'd he go? Oh, he's gone. All right, cool. Peace.